So why we are making this presentation and why we're having this roundtable is because we arrived at the moment where for different reasons we are discussing about auctions. And I want to make more the economic aspect of the auction more than the legal and the requirements coming from the EU. The auction are not only good for the environment because we attract investment, but also for consumers and authorities. Why they're good for consumers? Because they will provide energy at the lowest price and accelerate the green transition, reducing the CO2 emission, air pollution. As you can see, this is the trajectory from 2016 when the auction, they come alive on different markets and not in our region, but you can see Canada, South America, Middle East. So the price was constantly going down. It's good for the authorities because guarantee a transparent, objective selection of processes and price determination, and also keep a certain control over the budget, the timing, and the location in certain case of the wind or solar project. It's good for the industry overall because produce lower generation regulatory risk, which is you can define why the price is the right one because it's made by the competition. And on the stable and long-term high volume of businesses will attract, as we see now in Serbia, a lot of interest.